Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use an Xfinity Hotspot on your Xbox. First, turn on your Xbox and go to the home screen. Using your controller, scroll to the Settings menu. From there, select Network Settings. This is where you will manage your internet connection. Now, on your phone or computer, make sure you are near an available Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. These hotspots are usually named Xfinity Wi-Fi. If you are not sure, you can open your Wi-Fi list and look for that name. Go back to your Xbox and choose the option that says Set up Wireless Network. Your Xbox will scan for available networks. When you see Xfinity Wi-Fi in the list, select it. After selecting the network, your Xbox may connect, but it will not have full internet access yet. This is normal. To finish the setup, open the Xbox Internet browser, which is Microsoft Edge. Once the browser opens, try visiting any website. You will be redirected to the Xfinity login page. Here, enter your Xfinity username and password. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one or use a pass. After logging in, wait a few seconds. Your connection should now be active. You can test it by going back to Network Settings and checking the connection status. Thanks for watching.